Hi, I'm Evan Corey. Today we're going to be showing you how we make Naked Attraction massage bar, and I'll be compounding. That's me. We start by melting together a big batch of fairtrade shea butter and organic fairtrade cocoa butter. These butters melt on contact with skin when you glide your bar all over, making our massage bars a packaging-free alternative to massage oil. Cocoa and shea butters are two of our most hydrating ingredients, which means that our massage bars do double duty as softening body butters. Super moist. Then we add an essential oil blend of jasmine, ylang-ylang, mimosa, and osmanthus for a heady floral aroma. Now we mix everything together and let it cool. To give our bars an even shiny texture, we melt our mixture again, tempering it just like a bar of chocolate. Very scientific. Now all that's left to do is pour our mix into our reusable plastic molds in one of our most attractive shapes. It's got two nice nubs there for massaging with. We let them cool and dry, pop them out, and ship them off to a store near you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos and leave a comment below so we know what you'd like to see next in how it's made. Very hydrating.